Extreme! Up on the coffee table in this big pile. It's like taking a picture on my phone with it.
Down top of you for a long time.
'Lock and load. $30 rounds. Urban logging. Which tree should we cut down today? This one. Yeah.
What are you going for? Alright.
Can you see it good?
Yeah.
And there you have it, folks. Now with the big chainsaw.
Not yet. Okay.
Let's find us a tree. Go point blank. We'll see if we can cut it down.
Ready?
Yes. We've had enough of this snowman mocking us. It's time he should die. Okay. And brought to trial on this 12th day of January 2007. Red apple. Time for Mosin-Nagant. Yeah, that was good.